OPPO F3, and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings. Here you need to find and select fingerprint and passcode. Let's tap add a fingerprint, and before you add the fingerprint you need to set up some backup method. Here you can also tap other encryption method, and you can use alphanumeric code or simply numeric code. Let me use the pattern in my case, and let's enter the pattern twice. And now you need to add the fingerprint. So you need to use your fingerprint sensor located on your home screen. Let's just tap your sensor a couple of times. Alright. Now tap continue to adjust your grip. Let's keep tapping. Tap continue and you just successfully add your fingerprint. So now you can lock your device by pressing the power key, and you can unlock it by using the pattern, or you can unlock it by using the fingerprint. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.